In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to automate event confirmations and follow-ups via email. If you're tired of manually confirming event attendance or sending follow-up emails, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First, automating event confirmations saves you time and ensures your attendees get instant responses after they register. Using an email automation tool, you can set up an automatic email response that gets sent immediately after someone signs up for your event. This will confirm their registration, provide event details, and make them feel confident about attending. The software we'll be using today allows you to create these emails easily by setting triggers. When someone registers, the system automatically detects this action and sends out a confirmation email. In the email, you can include all the important details like the time, date, and location of the event. You can even add a personalized touch to it to make your attendees feel valued. Next, let's talk about follow-ups. After the event, you want to stay connected with your attendees. With our software, you can set up automated follow-up emails to go out at specific times. These emails could thank your attendees for joining, ask for feedback, or provide additional resources. You can even set up reminders for future events. The beauty of this automation is that it runs in the background, freeing up your time to focus on other tasks. You don't need to worry about remembering to send these emails manually. The system handles everything for you. By using this software, you can also segment your attendees based on their engagement. For example, if someone opened your confirmation email but didn't attend, you can set up a follow-up email just for them, asking if they need assistance or want to reschedule. It's a smart way to tailor your communications to different attendee behaviors. Now, if you want to try this for yourself, I've got an exclusive offer for you. You'll find a link for a free trial of the software we're using today in the description below. This trial is available only to viewers of my channel, so be sure to grab it and follow along with this video to set up your own automated event confirmations and follow-ups. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? Automating event confirmations and follow-ups via email not only saves you time, but helps build better relationships with your attendees by staying consistent and personal. You can easily set up confirmation emails that include event details and follow-up emails that engage attendees even after the event is over. To recap, first, set up an automated confirmation email that gets sent as soon as someone registers. Then create follow-up emails for after the event to keep your audience engaged. And don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial from the link in the description if you want to start automating your emails today. Thanks for watching.